Tahoe bound.
Bye.
Bye. Pulled off on the side of the freeway for a vista point. Ryan starting now.
We had to watch a sketchy hill.
Watch a sketchy hill.
Oh, walk a sketchy. We had to walk a sketchy hill.
It's actually very, very clear and very green, which I love.
Good soup.
Good Danish. We made it to the rocks. All right, one last look-see. Bye. I think we're going up there. So that's where we were supposed to go.
Well, we
A
don't know
little
that.
detour. Very peaceful. We're the only ones here. Hoping you can see that. It's beautifully green. This is absolutely breathtaking.
Wow. Dude, that video was so good. Oh my god. I think that was the best video I've ever taken. Who else starts with that? Yeah, I see him. Oh my god, we found it. That was a brutal run. Yeah. Oh, she's going so fast. Oh.
Slopes to end all slopes.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
Go. Oh no.
That run broke it a little more.
Oh, that's pretty bad. Oh! This is so difficult. I think she died.
No, I'm just. The GoPro battery's not doing very well. Sitting in the car because I'm cold. Ryan is doing his videography thing at this lookout point.
The video looks really good actually, on 3 times.
All right, we're coming up on the end of the day. It's getting really chilly, but we were determined to make a sunset. So we're here, we're now walking on a beach that is basically just snow.